Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is finally the official first day of the last week of December's. I hope you all enjoyed that video from yesterday. I know it was a different kind of video for the first day of Vlogmas as far as first day of the week. But as always, remember, hit that like button, that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of that unboxing, and let me know what you think of that bike. I love the bike. I need to get on it more. I plan on getting on it more here soon. Currently it's rainy. Unfortunately, it's raining in Lexington, but we're making the most of it. We got to catch a flight today down to North Carolina. So, got another little vacay, and you all are going to be coming along. Let me know how y'all's Christmas vacation has been or is going, or if you all are still on vacation, let me know how it's going. If you all had a great Christmas break, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, let me know down in the comments. Merry Christmas to everyone out there. It's good to be back. It's been a while. It's been, what, a week or something? No, it's been a few days. I've been uploading a few videos that have been pre-recorded in the past, so I hope you all have enjoyed those. It's been difficult filming while family's down and trying to fit in family with Christmas, and you all know all the chaotic stuff that goes on around Christmas time. So we're doing our best. We're trying to do our best here. Get ready, sit back, relax. It's gonna be a fun journey down to North Carolina. So guys, I don't really have anything planned for this week as far as what we're gonna do and how these vlogs are gonna go. I'm just going off of whatever goes. Whatever happens, happens. Nothing's scheduled, nothing's planned. There may be a video or two that pop up from a little bit ago. We gotta head to the farm after we head back to the house real quick to pick up a few things. I'm not gonna say what they are because they're new. But you all will see a video on these new things later on. Let's just say that. Already had some breakfast, got a little eggs, bacon, grits, had some good toast. It's good. Can't believe it's raining today. So I know there's not a lot of questions in the comments yet, but we are going to be filming possibly a Q&A as far as questions that would basically be asked on a regular basis. If there were questions, you know, the most basic common questions that are usually asked from the audience, from you all, when filming these videos. So there might be one of those coming up. I don't know when yet. It'll probably be after the New Year's. I'm hoping to bring you all along for the New Year's because we've got a big party planned, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're pulling up to the neighborhood now. We're gonna go inside. We're gonna get packed and get on this trip. Back in the car, we're headed to the farm now. I got a quick little, I'd say 30-minute nap in because I'm just tired today. I don't know why. I just all of a sudden got really tired. I hit up the Starbucks, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Gotta get ready to leave town, boys, because hey, we're leaving. We're skipping town real quick, alright? Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Guys, if any of you have chapped lips, like during the winter time or anything, when your lips get dry, Burt's Bees lip balm, best lip balm you could buy. You're gonna be spending a little bit more, but just try it out. I don't even know how to explain. Just try it out. That's all I can say. Just try it. You won't regret it. So let's hit up the Starbucks, boys. Your boy's gotta get himself some Starbies. Then we're gonna be catching a flight in the rain. Hopefully there's no flight issues. I bet the day after Christmas is like chaotic with flights and stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that. Yay. Well, little sad update. Can't get Starbucks this morning. Line's too long. I gotta get going. I got things to do. I don't have time for it this morning. So there actually is a Dunkin' Donuts at the airport that we might be able to get. So, oh boys, got a little Speedway. Stopped at a little Speedway. Got ourselves a Mucho Mango fruit juice cocktail, Arizona. I've had this quite a few times. I've had this one and the fruit cocktail one and the half and half, as you saw in a previous video. So, for the boys. Never disappoints, never. Well guys, we're here at the farm. I have some boxes here. I'm not gonna fully show you all what they are yet. Boy, we got 3 boxes. One's a little square here. Cool, sweet. I'll be unboxing these in another video. You all are definitely in for a treat on that one. Can't wait to show you all. It's gonna be really, really cool. We're just here at the office checking on a few things, making sure we have everything before we head out of town for a week. Guys, we are so close to the new year, and this channel is coming a long way. I'm excited. Hope you all are excited. Set you all down for just a hot sec here. If any of you take vitamins, try the Ollie. If you're, they make women's too. They make women's multivitamin, they make men's. Try their multivitamins. They're very good. And good for you, of course, so. It's good to stay healthy, boys. Gotta stay healthy, so. I gotta see if I can bring this with me. We are headed to the airport now to head down to the East Coast. Whenever you go to an airport and you're parking and you're like, should I park in long term or short term? Well, with this airport, there's no point in paying a few extra dollars to park in short term, because basically, unless it's like snowing or something crazy's going on weather-wise, because then you're just paying like $3 or $4 extra a day. And remember, $3 or $4 extra can add up really quick. So you're paying $3 or $4 extra a day to park closer by probably a minute or two, when you could park in long term and save that $3 or $4. And yeah, it's just like, why would you do that? So I don't know. I have definitely done it. I have definitely stayed in the short term for a week or so, and it's not terrible, but still it adds up. And I'm just like, well, let's not do it. Let's not do it this time. Right now it's only sprinkling. You never know, when I get back it could be snowing. So, but you all will find that out in a later video this week. pulling up to the airport. We are at the light to turn into the airport. 2 minutes away. So it rained a little bit heavier on the way here, but finally stopped now. So let's get into the airport. Alright, there we go. It is gonna be a nightmare to find parking probably. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Right here, baby. Right here. Backer in and G. We got a spot front and center. Trying to move over as far as possible over here because I do not want anybody over here hitting my car. And we're parked. We're not that far from the place either. Like, so, as I was saying earlier, there's short term right there. That is short term right there. That parking garage is short term. This is the last row of cars in long term right here. This is the closest row of cars. And we're parked right here. So by doing this, we're saving a few extra dollars, which I'm okay with. Let's go. So something I always do when I leave my car for a long period of time, I will always put this sunshade on the car just to protect the dash, basically. It's kind of hard to control sometimes too. Just try not to knock you all off either. But that might happen, so just be prepared. This thing is always such a pain to put up for some reason. Why that is, I do not know. But there we go. Put the sunshade down. Put the sun visors down. And there we go. There we go. We're ready for our airplane ride now. Basically what this does is protects your dash, all the leather in the car, keeps it looking fresh. And that's what we like. So fresh and so clean, baby. Let's go. Alright, got that out. I don't think we need anything else in here. Sprinkling a little bit, but hey, it's alright. Let's go. All right. Bye, car. Look at that. Talks back to me? What? I don't know what's going on, but we're down at 19%. I hope my other battery's charged. But yeah, basically what I was saying again, we're already at short term right here. This is short term parking right here. Oh, we got people. Oh, baby. Well, we made it in the airport. It is dead in here. Nobody's here, it seems like. For it being after the holidays, I'm very surprised. But we're here. One fun thing about getting off a plane is having to wait for the car. Especially when you don't know where the car is. This is Wilmington for y'all right now. Real exciting. And is that the ride right there? That might be the ride right there. I don't know. I can't tell with the headlights sometimes. Nope, that's not. That's just Chevy. I'm looking for a BMW. These little flowers. Ah, there he is. Well, I will see you all on the other side. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's little travel vlog. This is where we're going to be ending the video today. If you haven't already, remember, hit that subscribe button, that like button. Comment down below what you